This elegant bird with long legs may look delicate, but it's surprisingly fearless. The long-tailed plover is a ground-dwelling bird known for laying eggs right out in the open, and sometimes even inside crocodile nests. This bold move isn't reckless, it's smart. Since crocodiles don't eat bird eggs, the plover cleverly uses them as nest protection. Despite its small size, the plover is a fierce protector. When threatened, both parents fan out their impressive 1-meter wingspan. If the danger is farther off, they freeze in place, camouflaging with their surroundings. Though they mostly stay grounded, these birds are strong flyers too, and just before a rainstorm, their high-pitched, sharp call intensifies, so piercing it can send shivers down your spine.